My name is Bailey and I'm a high school student in the Nashville area. I decided to do a job show today because I've always been interested in electrical work. I've wired up a lot of stuff with my dad.
I have a passion to help these students figure out their path and if they want to come into the skilled labor trades. The trades are necessary for everybody to continue living comfortably in their residences and buildings.
I really like to stay moving. This job really allows me to constantly stay moving, walk around the house, make sure everything is good. So I'm using my hands with wiring stuff up, so it's really good.
I'm Jillian. I'm a high schooler in the Nashville area. Today was amazing. I got to go out in the field, talk with a bunch of different people about what their job's like and how much they love working with the Lee Company.
This industry is growing every day, and I think it's important to have young kids excited about construction because the truth is it's actually the most exciting and most fun industry there is out there. Every day there's something new to look at. Every day is different. Not a lot of industries can offer that.
Job shadowing is a great opportunity to see what the field is like in a day-to-day experience, not just one interview, but to see an actual day of work. So I thought it was amazing.
The job shadowing experience, it went great. It definitely pushed me towards that is something I wanted to do.